So the next task is segment. Prizes game, take your place in blockchain history. So complete the task. Complete the task. And then you follow. Click follow for follow. So this is from task 17 and 18. We'll do it now. Follow for follow. Go back and check. So they're telling you to mint a segment. You say it's a Paizo game. So you click here to access the app. So suppose this one we're not using. So segment. Desert collection. Take your place in blockchain history. I don't know how the game is gonna be like. So just okay. Connect your wallet, your Venom wallet. And then connect it. And then we're meant to mint. So I am a game type, but what it means that you can come over and click on any space you want to mint on. Yeah, just click on any space. Some are still loading the page, so you can find any space. No, this one is not yet space. Click here. Please be aware the link provided below is stated for those who have minted NFT and not associated with segments. Okay, close. Okay, let's mint the segment. Mint the segment. Select an image. So let's look for an image. Let's to scope. And then I'll even put a type, later medical. And then mint. And then put your password. And then you confirm. Minting in progress. When it's successfully minted, our 28 balance for Venom should drop. It should drop if it has actually minted. Our Venom balance should drop. Let's see. Okay, it has dropped. So it has dropped. So let's go back and check if the task has been completed. Check again. Yeah, it has been completed. So mint your NFT for that project. All right, we're done. So back to project, and then we'll take on the 17th one, which is chain sports. So let's complete this blockchain bridges aggregator. That's the name. So you complete the task. You complete the task. When it comes up, you can close this. You follow them on your Twitter. Allow you to load up. Follow them on their Twitter. Follow them. You can turn on notification, and you go back and then check. And then they're telling you to transfer CST tokens from BSC chain to Venom. Transfer CST tokens from BSC chain to Venom. So let me verify if I have some tokens in my BSC. These are real tokens. I mean, mainnet tokens from BSC. Okay, after connecting your Venom wallet, then you need to connect your MetaMask. I'm going to connect this wallet. Please, you cannot use one wallet to be mint. Let's say you are doing this testnet on 2 accounts. You can use one BSC account, maybe account to do it. They will flag it. So let me see the one I have. Actually, I've not used this. So that's just it. So that's that. So let me just to see that I've not used it. So what do? I come back here and then I click here and then connect. After connecting your Venom wallet, you connect your MetaMask. Yeah, connecting to this. Yeah, this one. So I connect. Yeah, and then what do? Close it back. And then you claim, you first claim these 10 CST tokens. So I claim. So it loads up, and then you are going to charge you the 0.1 thereabouts. So you confirm the transaction. Claim processing by network. So it's going to claim. See, I've already claimed that. It has been completed. So now is that 10 you are going to now, transfer. Make sure you have at least from 0.4 or $0.5 worth of, BSC tokens right there in your wallet. Okay, so I've already claimed on this. So all I needed was to just, come here. You're expected to claim just 10 CST tokens. When you claim it, it's going to charge you very few dollar worth for BSC. Then the next thing is to come and tap here, maybe transfer 2 of these CST tokens. You have BSC, transfer from BSC to Venom Testnet, under the chain spot. So now after here, you swap. You click on swap. You allow these connections to go. Token approve required. So we are waiting for our wallet to load up so that it can running the triangle position to withdraw. Yeah, withdrawing to CST. So after then, your MetaMask notification will come up for you to accept the transaction or to confirm the transaction. So you allow it to come up. So now they're going to charge you. You're picking 2 CST tokens. Next, and then they are charging you 0.03 for this. So you approve. Thereafter, then you allow it to confirm the transaction, for approval. So you just wait a while. Good, it has been approved. Confirm transaction. So we are going to transfer now, or in BSC now. So we are needing approval from this in BSC. So we wait for it to come up there. Then when it comes up, you also accept. This one require the BSC, yes, by 0.3, what that. So you confirm also. You come here and you also confirm. Then when you don't confirm it, you allow it about 30 confirmations in the BSC network for your transaction to put through. And you must allow this to go through, because if it doesn't, you can't complete the task. Yes. So just wait patiently for the transaction to put through. So already confirmed Venom Testnet. Your wallet has popped up for us to confirm. Voila, you've completed your transaction. So it is when you've completed your transaction, they say you receive your tokens. You receive tokens in a few minutes. So at this point, I can tell you that you're done with this task. So how do you verify that? Go back to your Venom and check wow, that's done. See, now you can mint freely your token for this project. Then you confirm transaction. So when you confirm your mint successfully, yeah, see, this has already completed. To what we did was 2 CST, your chain spot transfer. That's what we did. So we're done with that. So we can come back to our task, minting our NFT for that project, your chain spot. It was so clear. Yeah, we're done with that. So you go back to the project, then you go head on to the last project for now, which is Everplay. So complete your task. Or the first thing you need to do is to follow. So you click on follow. Your Twitter will load up as usual, and then you follow appropriately. Make sure the Twitter you're using is the same Twitter you've been using for other things. That is testnet. So you follow, then you come back and then verify. Check. Done. You say buy Venom Pass. We should buy Venom Pass. So I come here or here. So you go here, close up on this. I don't have business with them. Go close up this. So why is opening? You can always come to your faucet. All these, what you know, all these transactions that we've performed from the project 1 to the 18th project, you can reperform them. Yes, to keep your interactions very active. Yes, so you don't just do them once and for all and then you say no. From time to time you go back, claim your, there are other attacks. Yeah, you can perform, go over this testnet website and reperform those operations. So let's go back to our Everplay. Please log into your Venom. So click on my Venom wallet. Then you sign in. Click on, sorry. Sign in. Okay, we are in a wallet displayed here. So all you need to do is to play, pick. You need to buy a Venom pass. So you're looking for Venom pass. So while we are here, we're looking for Venom pass. This is a Venom pass or this. So let's click this. It's a Venom pass. Buy it. You want to charge you some Venom 0.05. So you put your password and then you confirm transaction. And when you're done with that, loading up the transaction, if it's a success, you will know. So it's a success. Congrats, you have successfully purchased Venom pass. So when you're done, you can come back here to check whether you've done that. And voila, you're there. So you mint your NFT. And this is our last NFT for the 18th task. So congratulations for staying with the videos up to this extent. So we're minting it. Yeah, we'll mint it. That means we'll be done with all the tasks for now under the Venom ecosystem. So let me wait till your app Everplay, is a game. It seems from the name Everplay could be a game. Having a pass is like having the tickets to some games. So we've minted our stuff. So when you go back to your project, you observe that you have done like 18. You've done 18 projects. So this is where we're going to end for now. Thank you so much.